This segment is sponsored by Trey Harrell Law. It's another edition of Trey Helps. Attorney Trey Harrell joins us with more. I'm so glad I get to be with you today.
Hang out.
Treats.
Yeah.
How have you been?
I've been good.
Good.
You know, we celebrated my ridiculously good-looking wife's birthday this weekend.
She's hot. Yep.
I know. I was blessed, and so good mood. She's not mad at me. So
she's
we're
not
doing
mad
good.
at you. You had a lovely weekend.
We did, and y'all had a fun segment to kick it off.
We did. We've been drinking cocktails all morning.
Probably very fitting.
Very fitting. That's when you drink cocktails most often you should use an Uber. And you've been so kind. You've done this repeatedly. Yeah. The Trey Helps Uber voucher, and you're doing it again for Memorial Day weekend, right?
Yeah, we are. We actually, it was funny. We started it, the first time we ever promoted it was on Lowcountry Live for Memorial Day.
Is it a year ago?
A year ago.
Wow, okay.
So it's been going strong for a year.
Yeah.
We've had a lot of people use it. Hundreds and hundreds of people have used it. You can go right now to TreyHelpsYouUber.com and go ahead and lock it down ahead of Memorial Day weekend.
Okay.
We've already had a couple dozen people do that. Yeah. So go ahead and get it so you don't even have to worry about it.
Yeah.
It's valid from Friday happy hour to Tuesday morning.
Perfect.
So like it's whatever you need over the weekend, and
so you just kind of preload it, and then when you're at a friend's house, at the bar, whatever, like you just go in, click it, and it's free.
It knocks the $10 off of your ride,
awesome.
And so even if you get caught in a surge, you're $10 off.
less.
So I mean, what we're trying to do, it's not something that's going to solve the drinking and driving problem in South Carolina, but it's gives you one less reason to make a dumb decision. Right.
And you've had success during New Year's, football. I mean, you have to feel good knowing that you have made an impact.
Yeah.
Like I firmly believe there's someone who made the decision not to drive because they had that voucher.
Let's hope so.
Yeah.
And it's kind of one of those things that you can get on here. You see everybody else on PSA campaigns saying, "Don't you drink and drive." That we're actually going to do something that tries to cause people not to make that dumb decision. Actually, you know what? I shouldn't say dumb. My wife got on me this morning because I say dumb. I need to say bad decision. But what other way can you describe getting behind the wheel after you've had a cocktail? Right? After too many cocktails. It's a dumb decision. So do what you can to make the right decision, because this weekend in particular is not about boat days and barbecues and all that. It's about the people that gave their lives so that we can sit here and just have a grand old time.
And talk about cocktails and eat hot dogs and burgers. Yeah.
Exactly. So the way you honor heroes is not creating another tragedy.
Right.
So, yeah.
I'm going to ask this question, but it's pretty obvious. Like this summer, we see a spike in DUIs, correct? Just because everyone's out and about? Is that why?
I mean, cold beer and sunshine, kind of like fire and gasoline for confidence. And so, it's kind of one of those things that you've got to do what you've got to do to make the right move. Post and Courier said in an article today that we have stratospheric DUI rates in South Carolina, and that couldn't be more true.
So
we see it all the time.
What is that number? I mean, are they comparing it to other states?
Just to other states per capita, how many people get behind the road, how many DUIs we have, how many alcohol-related collisions we have every year. We rank very highly in that, and we've got to stop that.
Yeah.
Like everybody here's watching's got family members, or you get behind the wheel, just stop it. Just do what you can.
And there's no excuse because we have options with Uber, your voucher, thanks to you for that. But there's no reason that you should have to drive.
Exactly.
Even if you leave your car downtown overnight, you can go back and get it.
Yeah.
What would you say to someone watching right now who, maybe they're out Friday night and they're like, I've only had a couple. I've only had one or two. I'm okay. Like, where do you draw that line?
The moment you think to yourself, I'm fine, hand your keys over.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm good. No, hand your keys over. If you have to think about it, hand your keys over. Go to TreyHelpsYouUber.com, get the voucher and go. And right now, while you're sitting at home or sitting in a waiting room or wherever you are, go to TreyHelpsYouUber.com, snag that voucher, use it this weekend.
Right. How many vouchers are you giving out?
We don't have a limit on it right now.
Really? Wow.
So, I mean, if we get way too many out there, we may do it. We'll probably cap it at about 500.
Yeah. Is she giving you? Okay.
Yeah. We'll probably cap it about 500. But you know what? If 500 people sign up for an Uber voucher, we'll open up more.
Wow.
Plain and simple, because the whole point is to keep people off the roads after they've had too many.
Well, I'm going to go snag it when I'm done here. Yeah. Are you going to do it again for the 4th of July?
Most likely, and we'll do it for Labor Day. And we got a couple other things coming up this year that we're going to do it, so get excited.
You are all over the place. Follow this man on social media. I love your page, too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Always good to see you.
Good to see you.
Glad I got to interview you today.
There we go.
All right, Trey Helps. Just go to your website, get that Uber voucher
right
now.
Right there.
Right there, at Trey Helps. We're going to take a break. We've got more Lowcountry Live right after this.